How to add a blur effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where you have your clips on the timeline. Select the clip you want to apply the blur effect to by clicking on it. Then, head over to the effects library on the top left side of the screen. Under the Open Effects section, search for the Gaussian Blur effect or simply blur. Drag and drop this effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. Next, go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If the inspector is not visible, click the inspector button in the top right corner to open it. In the inspector, you'll see the controls for the Gaussian blur effect you just added. Adjust the blur radius slider to increase or decrease the strength of the blur. This will apply a uniform blur over your entire clip. If you want to blur only a specific part of your video, switch to the color page. Here add a new node by right-clicking in the node editor and selecting Add Serial Node. With the new node selected, apply the Gaussian blur effect from the Open Effects panel again. Now, use the window tool in the color page to create a marks around the area you want to blur. You can choose a circular, square, or custom shape for your marks. Adjust the marks position and size to fit perfectly over the part you want blurred. To make the blur blend naturally, feather the edges of the marks using the softness controls. Finally, review your clip by playing it back to ensure the blur looks smooth and correctly applied. If needed, you can go back and tweak the blur intensity, marks size, or feathering until you are satisfied with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to add a blur effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.